right, good to go.
Okay, great. All right. Well, the topic I'm going to talk about today may be challenging for some or all or many, and that is really what it's meant to do, is to kind of get you thinking about health. So the ancients believed that optimal health could be attained by practicing something called the Tao, and that is also known as the Way. Right? And they actually understood the principles of the Way as transforming these energies of the universe through physical, spiritual, energetic, and emotional levels. So Qi is that life force. It's also known as prana, mana, energy, and that's what connects all of us together. To be a part of, to be of and a part of, not separate. That's whole, to be whole. And that is the definition of holistic. It's what holistic means. And this is how the body heals, and this is how it can actually achieve optimal health, and much more. So, what I actually witness as a cultural norm is what is known as the scientific model, right? It's also, in our medicine, it's called the Western model. And this Western model, it comes from a place of something that needs to be fixed, something that is broken, that needs to be chunked down into smaller parts in order to be healed. And they have a specialist for every illness and woe. And this has become the cultural norm. This is known as the gold standard. And it's the lens by which everyone seems to want to look at. And what happens is, the problem with this model is that it actually separates our body and our mind. So disconnecting us from our being, right? And so for all of you understanding, who are holistic practitioners, or you're looking to have your vision and be connected. And what does that mean? Connected to your goals, connected to your energy. But if you think of yourselves as something separate, like, oh, I go to the gym, that's separate. Oh, I, go and see my therapist for my emotions. Oh, I do this, I do that. You're actually chopping yourself apart. And going to a holistic practitioner, if you're thinking at it from a place of, oh, I'm going to my chiropractor to fix my back. Oh, I'm going to go to my acupuncturist for whatever else. You're still looking at it through the lens of this things being separated. Right? Does that make sense, what I'm talking about? And this is very challenging because we live in the West. And I recognize this in my own field of acupuncture that's morphed into a model of standardization and dilution and a loss of its potency, because we're actually extracting out the spiritual stuff, the stuff that people go, oh, it's the woo-woo, or oh, that's the Eastern stuff, right? And this is what the problem is with the scientific model, that it actually breaks down all the little parts and says, this is what's really the most important thing. And what we actually find with juicing or certain foods, the difference between taking a vitamin, we think we're lacking a vitamin, but in fact, and taking away all of the fiber, the phytochemicals, because we think that doesn't matter. But the fact is that the whole is greater than the parts, right? And so this is actually, my challenge is for you to really think about that when you're thinking about your health. Is it a separate thing, or this is about all of you, and what does that do for you? So Chinese medicine and its practices are for the cultivation of health, not to cure disease. It has 8 branches, which one of them is acupuncture. And as an acupuncturist, I'm actually a facilitator and a conduit for Qi to flow and connect to life and nature and all that is. And that is powerful medicine. So an example of this is, oftentimes when people come to see me, they have tried everything. And they really show up hopeless, despair. They're told, we can't do anything, or you have to live with it. And I know a lot of people may have heard that or experienced that. And so, for instance, I had a woman who was 36, and she came to see me. She had gone through many, many fertility treatments, and basically they said, well, the problem is you have, your eggs are no good. You probably are not going to have children. And even said to her, maybe you're just not meant to have children, right? And she was falling apart. So if you understand that, like, she was being taken apart. This is your problem, that's your problem, your levels are this and that, and really something that is not addressing all of her, but pieces of her, right? And I told her, when people come to see me, I say, do not listen to what they're telling you. It's not true, and if there is a God, they are not it. And so you need to remember that they are, they're looking at from what they can't solve that problem, and they don't have that explanation, and so that doesn't make it true. It's a truth, but it's not your truth. So together, we worked together for several months, and what happened was this magic that happened. Eventually, she produced 3 eggs, beautiful eggs. In fact, the doctor said, wow, that's a perfect egg you produced for someone who had no good eggs, right? Together, we actually transformed her life. So my message is twofold. One, for all of you that are interested in having this bigger vision of yourself, you really want to look at healing, or actually I consider healing is also like a broken model, but looking to have to be your best and then even better. And the medicine from the East actually supports all of that, not taking you apart, not diminishing, encounters all of it. It actually taps into the deepest levels of healing because it's part of your nervous system. It actually bathes all of your cells. And it brings that innate healing power that's within us because it connects to all that is. And you have experienced what it's like when you actually connect. Suddenly you have this vision. You're able to see, wow, how simple it would be. But also bringing your physical together with that and the spiritual. So shifting your physical, energetic, emotional, and spiritual levels into alignment with your vision. So you can actually hold your purpose, right? So the longevity to be healthy is so that you have your purpose and that you can connect with it and actually execute that. You can create and sustain this unlimited health potential. So my name is Cho Lin Moy. I'm a licensed acupuncturist and a practitioner of Chinese medicine. So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Awesome. Very good.